Rob Frazier here. Just want to drop another video about Power Lead System. Power Lead System been around 7+ years. Still coming up with new marketing angles to stay in the game. And I just wanted to talk about the newest thing. It's kind of like Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning is a $7 tripwire offer that Power Lead System have had and have made mucho dinero with it over the years. One time $7, you get a marketing platform type deal. And they're structuring this new angle the same way. New ebook, $7. One time you get the marketing platform, the whole deal, plus the training from Paul Turner. Now, what makes this so special, in my opinion, has to do with NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming, some big fancy term. Now, when I used to hear about NLP, I used to think it's a grimy, greasy, salesy, manipulative type thing to do. And there are some people in the home business affiliate marketing space who heavily talk about NLP, who have made millions and millions of dollars, but I always felt that it was just a grimy, and I've seen a couple of different NLP trainers over the years, and there's one who was just always super obvious about it. He always wanted you to buy his stuff, and then how he would say things, and you would just pick up on how he's trying to put embedded commands into his speech, and it's just grimy, greasy, yuck. But, and even, that kind of pushed me away from it for a long time. And then if you've been around network marketing, I'm sure you heard feel, felt, found. Basically, feel, felt, found is a form of NLP. And also found out that Tony Robbins in his book, Unlimited or something like that, the guy who created this ebook that I'm going to be talking about, says that book is basically pure NLP. So Tony Robbins is a guy who actually uses NLP. And I just recently been getting into it. So going back to the feel, felt, found thing. And it'll tie into this whole thing as well. Because again, that's how I used to feel. I used to feel that NLP is grimy, salesy, greaseball, used car salesman type thing, just to buy some piece of crap car, some snake oil, blah blah blah, all that stuff. And that's how I honestly felt, and I stopped studying it. And again, I'm using the feel, felt, found exactly right now. But what I have found is that a lot of times it's ways that you can use your language to talk to yourself better. Because if you follow me for a while, I've been in debt real bad with child support, been divorced, I hit some lows in my life. And yeah, I've had some pretty negative self-talk over the course. And, I've gone through ups and downs. I made a lot of money in affiliate marketing. Then I got behind on taxes, and then my confidence went down and everything else. And then the negative self-talk comes back up, and, just the whole deal. And I found that with this NLP stuff, there are certain things you can do to actually change your self-talk so you have more confidence in yourself, so you take the actions that you need to take to get better results. And it doesn't matter what area it is in your life. So all that being said, I highly, highly, highly recommend grabbing this. It's only a one-time $7. One time $7, you get the information. Underneath this video, I might include a link to this page right here. Click on it, opt in. You're going to see this right here. The video, Paul Turner is the guy who wrote the book, who talks about the Tony Robbins NLP book. And a lot of testimonials. This right here, the book is 20 chapters. A lot of good stuff, but it's actionable stuff. Like you can read a short little paragraph and then immediately apply it in your life. And it's not something that you have to take 10 million hours and learn. I mean, the whole book maybe, but there's different chapters that you'll learn about how to, do different little things to change the way you look at things, change the way you talk to yourself. And so I'm just showing down the thing, what you're going to see, what you're going to get. This right here is the actual book. I'm going to just scroll down so you can see, all the stuff in the chapters. So again, pretty bulky. When I say bulky, it has a lot of good content in it, but the chapters are very short, very to the point, and it's like each chapter will give you something that can help move you along. You got the introduction, procrastination. I procrastinate. Even on my own YouTube channel, I've been procrastinating. I need to do that video. I'll do it tomorrow. I need to do that video. I'll do it later. Blah, blah, blah. Lacking motivation. Just so many different things. A lot of it is that self-talk. And also chapter 12, imposter syndrome. Feeling like you're not worthy enough. I've been there, done that myself. I tried doing I'm still doing handyman and junk removal business offline. But I get imposter syndrome when it comes to handyman stuff. Like if I'm doing something that I've never actually done before, that imposter syndrome creeps in. It's just like, okay, maybe I'm not going to do this job, and I pass it off, lose out on the money, blah, blah, blah. You get the point. So, again, highly, highly, highly suggest you check it out. It's just something to help. That being said, link is in the description. Stay tuned. More to come. We'll see you in the next video. Peace!